Lion's Sight. Services for the blind and visually impaired. Graphic of a lion's head in black and white on a gray background.
Hey, so this is the little wrap up. We did the unboxing for all the Oakmont Visual Aids. I am totally flummoxed by what it is they produced. Totally just blew me out of the water. So many materials. You saw my kitchen table was just stacked to the brim with some phenomenal materials and learning supplies. Really don't know what else to say besides Oakmont. You guys knocked it out of the park. Very creative representations, yet consistency across the various types of booklets. Consistency is essential for scaffolding upwards concept development. To the people viewing this, thank you for sticking with me as you descended into my madness. Oakmont is a phenomenal company. If you want to order from them, you should support them, because even though it's for free, they are effectively a company. And by that I mean they have to earn some kind of income to take care of the expenses associated with producing these materials. So donate if you can. If you want to order from them, I will include this in there. They even say if you have suggestions as to how we can get our materials out to other teachers, schools, parents, or anyone involved with low vision children, please share your ideas with us. I'm going to take that as permission to, disseminate this video on the social media platforms to which it is I am connected with. So thank you for taking the time to watch this, to listen to me blather on. It's meaningful to get your support. So yeah, and in the words of my old guitar teacher, Chris Lee, don't trip, potato chip. Stay positive and keep your head up. Thanks to everyone watching, and you guys have a nice one. This is Keenan Fry, Lion's Sight Services. See you next time. I'm out of here.
Lion's Sight. Regular updates on blind and visually impaired tutorials will be available for all kinds of topics. Thanks for watching.